Hello, I'm Abhishek, and in this video, I'm going to discuss a question based on property of numbers. So the question is, if the sum of two natural numbers and their LCM is 89, find how many such pairs of numbers are possible. So basically, let us assume there are two numbers, x and y. So when we add these two numbers along with their LCM, so the sum is 89. We need to find how many such values of x and y are possible. Now, first thing is, what should we take the value of x and y to be? Now, suppose x and y are co-prime. Co-prime as in they don't have any common factor. For example, let's assume the value of x to be 3 and that of y to be 7. So, in this particular case, the LCM would simply be equal to the product of two numbers, that is 3 into 7, right? And suppose, in case they are not co-prime, now suppose they have some common factor. So let us assume the numbers to be 4 and 6. Now in this particular case, since the numbers are having common factor as 2, so the LCM would be 12. How 12? Now this is 2 into 2. Now this you all must be knowing. This is very basic. So जो common है, we will write that value once only, and जो भी remaining values हैं, उसको हम simply note down कर देंगे. So that will give us 12. Right? Now the first point here is, and very important point is, what should we assume the values to be? Now I am assuming x to be ak and y to be of the form bk. Now I have assumed that they have a common factor as k. Now this will cover both the cases, x and y are co-prime and not co-prime. How? Now suppose if the value of k is 1, यदि k की value 1 होती है, that means कि they don't have any common factor. Now the common factor over here is k only. If value of k is 1, that means कि इनका कोई भी common factor नहीं है. So that will represent that x and y are co-prime. Now suppose if k has any other value apart from 1, for example, let's assume it to be 5. So this will simply means that 5 is the common factor between these two numbers. So basically these numbers are not co-prime. So x and y are not co-prime. Fine. So इस तरह से we will cover both the cases. Now since we have assumed value of x to be ak, so I will simply substitute the value of x and y in this particular equation. So we'll have ak plus bk plus LCM. Now in this particular case, the LCM would be abk, right? So abk, and this must be equal to 89. Now what we can do is, we can simply take out this k common. So if we take out k common, we are left with a plus b plus ab is equal to 89. Now we know that 89 is a prime number. It does not have any factor. So if 89 is prime and it is product of two numbers, so then the numbers must be 1 and 89 only. Now there are two cases, to assume k to be 1 and a plus b plus ab to be 89, or vice versa, k to be 89 and a plus b plus ab to be 1. Now this second case is not possible because a and b are both natural numbers. So the value of a plus b plus ab can never be equal to 1. So this is the case we were looking for. So k is 1, which means that a and b are co-prime. Fine. And second thing is a plus b plus ab is equal to 89. Now to solve this question, what I will do is I will simply add 1 to both the sides. Now this will become 1 plus a, and if I take b common from these two terms, this will be 1 plus a again, and this is 90. Now if we take common 1 plus a from these two terms, so we will be left with 1 plus a. So now we have this equation, the product of two numbers is equal to 90. Now the factors of 90 are, we cannot assume any value to be 1. Why? Because if we assume it to be 1, so a or b will become 0, which is not possible. They are natural numbers, right? So we need to start from 2. Now we have 1 plus a and 1 plus b, and the product should be 90. So 90 is possible as 2 into 45 or 3 into 30, or we can have it to be 5 into 18, which will also give us 90 only. Then we can have 6 into 15, then we can have 9 into 10, and if we are talking about ordered pairs, so then it can be 10 into 9 also. In ordered pairs, AB is different from BA, right? So 10 9 भी हो सकता है, ये 15 6 भी हो सकता है, मतलब repetition in cases का हो जाएगा, right? It could be 18 and 5 also, it could be 30 and 3 also, and finally 45 और 2 भी हो सकता है. So in total we have 10 such cases, and you will notice that in any of these 10 cases A and B are coming to be co-prime only. If we talk about this first case, now value of 1 plus A is 2. So A is 1, 1 plus B is 45, so B is 44. Yes, they are co-prime. 3 and 30. Now 3 is what? 1 plus A. So A is 2 and 1 plus B is 30. So B is 29. Again co-prime. Now 1 plus A is 5. So A is 4. 17. Co-prime again. 5, 14. Co-prime again. 8 and 9 co-prime again. Right? And this sequence will follow here. So in total, we have 10 such pairs. So 10 is the correct answer to this question. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.